Hey folks, welcome to. Oh my god, why am I fumbling? Hey folks, welcome back to Lady Standard Podcast. I'm your Kay, and we have Jay with me. And Jay, how are you?
Hey Kay, I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. So
And
how's your
how's
life?
life going?
Oh my god, Jinx. Same pinch.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let me
my life.
virtually pinch you. Hmm. So, yeah,
So
it
cringe.
seems like
Oh
so
my god.
cringe. Yeah, exactly cringe.
I think
Yeah,
I think today we are in like a
and
some
yeah,
kind of
say
sync.
sink. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, life is good. See, just
And how are
laughing.
you enjoying your summer?
I am doing nothing much. I just go for a walk with my mom.
During
Not much.
summer?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
cause
Okay, so
we are in summer.
yeah, yeah. So basically, you can walk, go for a walk during summer if you are in UK. But if you are in India and if you go for a walk, casual walk during summer, your body will be fully tan.
Yeah, and then we will be dripping, not with
Yeah,
a diamond, with the sweat.
exactly, exactly.
Oh my god, these are the so cringiest joke ever. But anyway.
Yeah, so actually, I recently came across this
Mm,
story on Reddit. Okay, and I felt
okay.
really cute. Okay, I felt
Okay. We
like
love cute love stories, don't we?
yeah. So I thought
Mhm.
like let me share this with you and our audience. So folks, here is a cute love story for you guys.
Go on.
So the story goes like this. Title is My Boyfriend Has Become a Big Baby. Okay, what does this
Okay.
big baby mean? Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
I female 24 years. So basically the story is completely from the point of view of female, okay? Female perspective.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
so
Okay.
I female 24 years old and my boyfriend 23-year-old male have been dating since 2 years
Okay.
now. I think that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
2 years is like huge, right? Pretty huge in this
Yeah.
generation. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
agree,
let me,
definitely.
yeah, and I'm going to continue now. So we have been dating since 2 years now, and let me tell you, before we started dating, he was like, "Yes, alpha male and stuff." I don't know why I did this voice modulation, but it's fun. It's
Here
fun.
comes J Mimicry Artist.
Yeah, guys, if
We
you
are
if you
introducing.
yeah, if
Anyway,
you guys are producers of any cartoon shows, do consider me as a mimicry artist. I am more.
definitely you
I'll be
shouldn't
happy to join.
consider one thing
Don't
someone
defame
should
me, Kay.
never do
Don't
is
defame.
no, never consider you. Oh my god, Jay, you took it that serious.
Yeah, because Kay, seriously, don't defame me. Okay, I have a reputation. Okay, so
What, Taylor reputation? Taylor Swift reputation?
okay, let me continue now.
Okay.
Why am I getting tears from my eyes? Please, Kay, please, please don't make me laugh too much. Let me continue now. So yeah,
Okay. She's talking as if I go and tickle her. Like as if I'm next to her, like, oh my god, Jay, laugh. Like, bro. Anyway,
I think
continue.
I think like I got this sugar rush because I had sweets.
I can see. Okay, in between our conversation, let's just say, guys, please like our podcast and give us a comment and feedback because we value your comments and so that we can improve our content. And then please subscribe because it will definitely motivate us to do more podcasts. And if you have any suggestion for the podcast, just leave us on comment. So yeah, let's continue, Jay.
Yeah, back to this story. Before
Mm-hmm.
we started dating, he was like,
Mm-hmm.
"Yes, I'm the alpha male," and stuff. And he did those stereotypical masculine things like not
Mm-hmm.
showing emotions, not sharing much, having that straight face most of the
Mm-hmm.
time, etc. etc. But
Okay.
after we started dating, and as time went by, he became more and more babyish. He became babyish. Oh,
No, you haven't even started yet. More and more babyish than what? Like, and then you started
like
laughing. What do
what
you
is
want
this
me
more
to
and more
know?
babyish? Okay, let me
Babyish,
continue.
I feel
Okay,
like he started
we'll
being very kid.
okay. Let's see what's her definition of babyish. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
he became more and more babyish, and I love it. He looks so adorable. That's how she narrated it, okay? He looks so
Okay.
adorable when he just wants me to hug him and cuddle with him and play with his hair. Aw, this is cute, really. He is such a cutie. Ugh. I feel like eating him. Bro,
You.
seriously.
That's so
This is.
disgusting.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, so far, it's fine. Like,
Yeah, but eating
it's.
is not fine.
That's
But
disgusting.
okay,
Okay.
okay. But people have their own wishes and desires. Okay, we are no one to comment
That
about
is
it.
that is fetish. That
Okay,
is
whatever.
not
Let
wishes
let
and
me. Oh,
desire.
okay. Let it be. Let me continue now.
That also
So,
sounds like cannibalism. If someone is saying,
bro,
"Oh, I
bro,
just want to
please,
eat
please,
you,"
bro, please stop, bro.
okay,
Do you understand in which sense she is saying this? She won't really. She won't eat him. Really, okay. She's
I
saying this in
don't.
a cutish way. So yeah, I
Yeah,
feel like eating him. Before dating him, I used to think of him as a hot and sexy hunk, which he still is. But now I just see him as this big, chunky, super cute baby.
Jay, can you please stop doing it? Like, I'm the one listening.
No, no, this is how.
You.
See, let me just tell how many T and how many T's and how many E's she has mentioned. Should I count and tell you? I'm just
Yes,
reading
go on.
how she. No, not interested, sorry. But I'm just reading out the way she has texted in this. I mean, posted here, okay? So, yeah,
Okay.
I just see him as this big, chonky, super cute baby. I feel like kissing his face all the time. When he looks at me with those
Jay,
sparkly eyes and dimpled smile. What?
cute. Stop it. Let's tell our viewers, listeners to subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. We are working so hard.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Subscribe,
Cons-
guys.
consider, hey folks, consider subscribing to our podcast because it will definitely help us and encourage us to do better and deliver more and more entertaining content to you. So yeah, I think
Yeah.
we'll continue now. Okay, Jay.
Okay.
Sorry, K. I don't know why I'm calling myself like
Bro,
J
this
J.
woman, she keep calling her name, her own name. Okay, Jay. Me and Jay. Oh, I don't know who does
I
it.
got I went crazy. Maybe I went crazy. Okay, okay. Enough of insulting me. You'll be the first person in the queue. I know if there is a competition to insult me. But yeah, let me continue the
Jay, I
story.
can't see anyone in the queue.
Yeah. So when he looks at me with those sparkly eyes and dimpled smile, I feel like beating the man. What does she say? I feel like beating the shit out of him because I cannot bear the cuteness overload. Bro, seriously, K. Like, if someone is unable
Jesus
to,
is.
if no, let me ask you something, okay? Because this is something so new to me. If someone is
Mm.
unable to control cuteness of his, sorry, her boyfriend, will they
Mm.
beat the shit out of the guy?
Yeah, whatever she's saying, it's just her fetish. I just
Okay.
feel like that. But like, it's cute until
You
she
mean
said, like,
Selena
I
Gomez
just
fetish
want to
song?
eat him.
Okay, why did I?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, guys. This
So maybe
woman,
I
she
think I
went to
think
Pluto.
I
She
think
went to
okay.
Pluto. She's struggling to come to Earth.
So I think like background
I don't
music.
know.
Wait,
This
wait,
is.
wait. I think background music for this whole podcast should be fetish song. Okay.
I hope we don't get
Fetish.
no, fetish. No, I hope we don't get like copyrights.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
now
yeah.
back to this.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Anyway, she is until she said like he's so cute, and then he's so baby. All those like I just feel like
Bro, I
she's
don't. Even if my
mothering
boyfriend is
him,
like, okay, what is mothering him? He already has
mothering.
a mother.
Yeah, definitely. Everyone has mother, but like, what? Then we would have not been in this world anyway. I feel like she is mothering him in the sense, like, how
The
do I
care,
say?
maybe.
Yeah, yeah, like the care, like
Mm-hmm.
oh my god, my baby is so cute. Like I just want to
Like
slap him.
lovey-dovey, bubbly,
Yeah,
bubbly.
yeah, like like when you see like a little cute baby, how
Mm-hmm.
they act, like playing around, and then jumping around, like those
The inner
feeling,
child
because
comes
yeah,
out.
inner child, I feel like, since because she is 24, right? 24 or 25.
She is 24 and he is 23.
Yeah, like that makes sense, because like she is just mothering him, and then she is elder to him, so she has that motherly feeling.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
um
I
yeah,
get it.
that's
I get it.
fine.
Let me just continue now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I feel like beating the shit out of him because I cannot bear the cuteness overload. God, if we have babies, I hope
I would never
I
beat my
hope they
kids.
are completely like him. Kind, smart, with high moral values, innocent, with that adorable face. I don't want my genes to even try. Aww, I can't wait to get married to him and baby him for the rest of my life. I
I
want to
told you, right?
feed him.
I told you that
See
is
this.
coming out of motherly bond.
Yeah, see, I want to feed him, take care of him. I just want him to stay rolled up inside a blanket with me in the bed, or balled up in my arms. I love him so much. I'm so proud of my big baby. This is the real part, okay?
Go on, say.
Hey, insert his mother's name. I am adopting your son. Don't stop me. Did you get it? She really wants to
Yeah.
adopt this guy.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, she's having that motherly bond because she is elder to him, and
Mm-hmm.
then she feels like, I don't think so. I feel like she's the dominant one in the relationship.
Yeah, because
So the
see,
things, whatever she is saying,
she clearly mentioned that initially this guy was
it's
like,
nothing wrong in that,
yeah,
being a
yeah, nothing
dominant
wrong.
in the
Yeah, yeah,
relationship. Yeah.
yeah, like, yeah, obviously. So
Okay.
I mean, she clearly mentioned that initially he was like, I'm the alpha male and stuff. And yeah, that was initially, but now after two
Yeah.
years or maybe later, things
Mm,
changed. Yeah, but this is somewhat
true.
cute, na? What do you think?
It is.
It is cute,
No, it's not
but
something.
what do you think? Like, will this
No.
thing work in long term? Like motherly. See, like,
It will. It will.
hmm?
It will definitely.
Really?
Yeah, it will. Yeah, yeah. Some relationship, it will. Because when you have that bond and when you have that motherly feeling, at certain extent, it will definitely bond. But like, I'm
Love
not a
guru,
therapist to
psychologist,
say,
or
or I'm not a god
therapist,
to say.
or a fortune teller.
Mm, yeah, or a
Yeah, you're
god
not a fortune
to
teller,
tell
not a
them
therapist,
whether
not a
they will succeed
psychologist,
or
not
not.
blah blah. Yeah.
Bro, who's therapist and who is a psychologist?
Bro, should I Google it right now? So therapist is someone, I think, like, who gives therapy, and psychologist is someone who gives psychology knowledge.
Oh my god, this sugar rush, man. Bro, you don't need drugs. Or you don't
That's true.
need anything.
That's true. That's true.
All you need is sugar
Exactly.
to get.
I told you.
Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh gosh.
So
Yeah, that was a cute story, by the way. Until she
yeah,
said, like, oh, he's my baby. I just want to
and yeah,
snuggle him.
he no beat the shit out of him.
Ah, yeah, beat the shit out of him and
And
slap him.
see, don't kill him, girl, please. But then
Yeah.
see the I think the surprising part for me is that she even wants to adopt him. That's the surprising part for me.
That's a disgusting part, I would say. Adopt
Okay.
him and then have a baby with him.
Yeah, that is surprising in the sense, like,
Disgusting.
that's why I asked you, like, do you think this will work? And you were like, yeah, it will work. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And what is this now?
Yeah, it
What
will
I do?
work. It will work because, like, when there is one person who's being very dominant and the other person likes the dominant, it will
Mm-hmm.
work. Like, I'm not saying it won't, but like the
Mm-hmm.
way she expressed it,
Yeah, it's
I
like
would
so
like to
motherly,
adopt.
na? Like, so
Yeah,
motherly.
yeah.
Hmm.
The way she
Yeah.
expressed it, it's so motherly, but it's fine. You can be in that kind of a relationship. But it is disgusting because, like, the word she mentioned, I would adopt your son. Like, you can just say, oh, I'll take your son from you, or I'll just take your son. I don't know. I just find it like bit funny. So yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
what do you think about this story? Leave us on comment and just give a thumbs up and like, subscribe, subscribe.
Okay, please don't do this
Anyway,
nonsense, please. You're
I
doing
I
more
know how
nonsense than me. No, please stop.
I
Just tell
I know how.
directly, guys, please subscribe and
Arreyo.
share.
I know how to say subscribe, but like like have you watched that video? Like a guy, little guy, he tries to say subscribe, so it just stuck in my head like anything. So yeah, um, hey Prabhu, hey Hari Ram, Krishna Jagannath,
Bro,
Premanandi,
what is
ये
this?
क्या
What is
हुआ?
this? What is this?
Because
Out of
because
nowhere.
all of a sudden you got quiet, so that's why.
Okay, oh fine. No, I started reading other subreddit post.
Okay.
So yeah. So
So yeah.
guys,
Anyway,
like anyway, it's a wrap, and we'll see you in our next podcast. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
see you then. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to our podcast and leave a comment. So yeah,